As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two grills, the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Master Cook 3-burner. Both propane, both stainless steel, but they seem pretty different.
Yeah, I noticed that too. The Bighorn is all about that intense heat, right? Like 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit for searing steaks?
Exactly. It boasts 19,000 BTUs, while the Master Cook only puts out 30,000 BTU, but is split across 3 burners. I wonder if that infrared heat makes a real difference.
Well, think about it. The Bighorn is designed for top-down searing. They're saying it creates a caramelized crust and locks in juices. Plus, it's smaller, more like a tabletop broiler. Dimensions are 16 inches, DX 21.5 inches, WX 15.4 inches H.
Right, Portable. The Master Cook is a full-size grill, 46.46, LX 20.87, WX 41.14 H. Definitely not as easy to move around, even with the wheels. Speaking of size, the Master Cook has a much larger cooking area, 471.8 square inches, compared to the Bighorn's 143.
Good point. So if you're mainly grilling steaks and want that super high heat sear, the Bighorn seems ideal. But for general grilling and cooking for a family, the Master Cook's extra space is a big plus.
And those foldable shelves on the Master Cook seem pretty handy for holding plates and tools. The Bighorn, being smaller, doesn't have that.
True. But the Bighorn has that 10-tier adjustable rack, making it more versatile for cooking different foods at the same time. And a pizza stone is included.
That is interesting. Cleaning is also a factor. The Bighorn says it's dishwasher safe, which is awesome. The Master Cook doesn't mention that specifically. But stainless steel is generally easy to wipe down.
Price-wise, they're super close. Both are around $200. So it really comes down to what you're prioritizing. High heat searing and portability versus larger cooking area and more traditional grill features.
Exactly. One's a steak searing machine, the other's a general purpose grill. I guess it depends on my grilling style.
Yeah, and how much space you have. If you're tight on space, the Bighorn is a no-brainer.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.